Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide online status in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide online status in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us at the top left. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can spot the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here again you can see there is the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security and you will land over here where you can see there is the last seen and online option available for us. Tap on that last seen and online just below the phone number, and over here you can see there is the option where it says the who can see my last seen time. Now in order to hide your online status in Telegram, tap on the nobody section and a tick mark will appear at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that tick mark, and with that being done, guys, your online status in Telegram will be hidden. And there, guys, this is how to hide online status in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.